Hey guys, this is a video recording for Service Genie by Appscript.com. So our objective to have Service Genie developed is to have a platform where we can have various services of different markets in one solution. So let us see how this works. Towards your left, you see the customer application, and towards your right is the provider application. So let's get started here. As you can see, we can enter the application without signing up. And this is great so that the customer can have the feel and look of the application before they decide if they want to sign up or not. And it encourages them to sign up or sign in to book a particular service. So you must notice how we do this sort of setup of various markets, like for your kids, health services and categories under it. We set it up on city basis or zone basis, and it can be done differently for different zones. If you do not do it, it will not show it to you. Let me give you an example here. Like right now in Glasgow, we haven't done a setup, so this is what will show there. Currently, we are in Bangalore, and you can see that we have a setup here, and this is how it shows. Now for your kids, health services, vehicles, home services, spares, all of these become your business groups under which we create categories. Now this is about, and you can show your recommended services right here. So before we continue with the booking, let's just go through the provider application quickly, and then we can see how both of them work together simultaneously. So if you want to sign up here, these are some mandatory information like the name, email ID, city. And city is important because according to that, their services are listed, and they can choose what according to their expertise. But now I already have a login credential, so I'm going to log in from here. So let's do this. I serve 3embed @gmail.com 3embed 007. And there you go. This is our um, provider application. Over here, let's see the profile. His name is Edwin Thomas. These are his details that we have. You can log in or log out from here. And you can even see the categories he signed up for. So according to that is what I'm going to show you and explain this app to you. So now say, let's choose a category here and say tutor. So in case of tutor, I say I want to book somebody for next week. All right, it's a single schedule single shift. So let's see whether he's a tutor. He's a tutor right here. And in case of schedule, we have to make sure that Edwin has created his schedule here. So when we click here, yes, we do see schedules created, and we do show. So if I go on the 17th, it's showing me from 4:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. is when he's created his schedule. Now, if I want to add schedules, I could add it from here by either putting the repeat schedule, how often do you want it repeated, the day. So say if I select Wednesday, weekdays, it will show me these days, duration for how long, and if you want to custom date it, you may. And say you want, let's say you want this for 2 months, you can select start time of say 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Address, we are going to put our office address, and let's confirm that. So you see that now we should have bookings from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. as well. All right, so now that we have created schedule for Edwin, let us see if he receives a booking or not. Oops, I forgot to put in my details here. Let's have it for the 17th. Start time 5:30 p.m. Selected. Let's have a schedule of say 1 hour. Done. Okay. Confirm. So once you confirm, it shows you the available providers for that particular day. We have Edwin Thomas here. He's offline, so right now this dot is showing as gray. If I go online, it should update the status. There you go, he's shown online. So if I go here, I can see his details right here and book Edwin. It's asked me to log in now. Since I did not log in and I went with the flow and I really want to book Edwin, it makes me sign up or log in. So since I already have the credentials, let me just use them and get into the app. And you see there's a help with password option. So basically what that does is if you've forgotten your password, you can have it reset either with your mobile number through a verification code or your email, you'll receive a reset link. Let's log in. There you go. So we go in here, tutor, single shift. Again, let's select our date for the 17th. 5:30 p.m. and for 1 hour. Confirm and book. So, yeah, Edwin, book Edwin, and post my job. And we see that he has received a booking. You saw the notifications that the guys get when they have received a booking. You click on this, it shows you the details, the time, 17th October, 5:30 p.m., the amount, how long, and how you have decided to make the payment. We accept it, go to My Projects, and we see that for 17th, 400, it has been booked already and accepted. So that is how we make a booking for scheduled shift. So for tutor, like you saw, we were able to see the provider and we set an hourly price. So basically we call it the marketplace model as a service type where you can view your providers and the billing strategy would be hourly since you're doing them on hourly basis. Again, we have set this on the admin panel. So depending on the nature of your market or the nature of your business, you can set it up. We can even have marketplace set up on basis of fixed pricing as well. So if you look at babysitter, I confirm for now. They're not available as of now, but they do show 60 per hour. So this is on hourly basis again. That was my mistake right there. And let's see something on fixed basis. Let's take massage. Looking for a schedule shift. You confirm. Oops, again, I forgot to put in the details. Let's have a 13th. Select 11. Let's have it for 1 p.m. Duration 1 hour. Select. Confirm. And they show us providers here available now. Once you confirm them, let's book, and it shows you on hourly as well as fixed. So this becomes marketplace where you can see the provider and you can even have an either booked on hourly basis or fixed pricing. Again, that is done from the back end. I will definitely have a video on how do we set up on the back end so that you can relate to this better. So again, marketplace is where you can see your providers and you would want to choose in certain categories like a tutor or the babysitter since it's dealing with your child. Then we have another sort of service type which is your on-demand service where it really doesn't matter who comes and does the job. Like you have your cleaner, plumber, electrician, pest control. It really doesn't matter who comes and does it. So let's choose plumber. Let's first check if Edwin is a plumber. Yes. So he will definitely receive the booking for now. For 1 hour, confirm. We see these are only fixed services. So this is basically on-demand service type with billing strategy of fixed services. We take the details, get in. They do not show us the providers here. Like I said, it really doesn't matter who the provider is. Shows you the billing details right here. You have any coupon, you could apply it. Post the job and see he has received a booking. So if I go over here in offers, he has received a booking for now. Accept, and then it goes again into my project for this. Let's have, and this goes into assigned for the customer, and you can see it's on the basis of calendar. So today 12th, these are the two bookings that we have for today. Let's just complete a booking and see how the flow goes. So you see he's arrived on the location, the status updates on real-time basis, right? You can see he's on the way, and you can even see him on the map here since my location of location of my provider and customer is the same. It's showing a estimate of 1 minute of distance. Once he's oops, sorry. Once he's arrived, there you go, you know he has arrived. Now he's on the way. Sorry, the job has started. We have the timer here. You see, you pause the timer. You can pause it if he wants to take a break, and if he wants to get back to working, he can get back. And they start this thing. You can view his profile right here. Go back, and job has been completed. So yeah, these are the details of the job, and say the job has been completed, and say he had to add extra shower fitting. Okay, and he is had to charge around 200 for it. He can add new items here and confirm the services. Once it is confirmed, you can even sign it and raise the invoice. You can see his information here that he has raised the receipt. You can check the receipt in the customer application, all the signatures done, whatever has been agreed with the customer as well as provider. You can put your rating here and submit. And that is how a booking flow is completed. Generally, once the booking is booked, it's the same for every flow. So that was our on demand with fixed pricing. That is how it would work in case of book now. And there is something else that we have here which is very interesting. Let me show that to you as well. Let us see which other category do we have here. Let's do it for massage. Massage. Uh, Here you go. You say you want to schedule this month. Next. every Saturday next from 12 p.m. from say 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. 2 hours, so 3 p.m. Masu. So we see there are two shifts and we have these offers which can be set up from the back end. Now, since we have two shifts, the 25% bumper should be applicable. And if we confirm this, it does show us Edwin. So let's book him right here. We book him for fixed services. Post, and over here it gives you, so it's showing 900. All right, there are two shifts, 675 per shift, and this thing. So you're basically getting your discount of 45% here. Hence, it is a deduction. And if you see as a user, it gives me an idea on how it's benefiting me to do multiple shifts because I'm getting a 45% discount. At the same time, you as a business, you'll be getting bulk bookings as much as possible. So let's have this posted. Yes, we have received the booking. Let's go to my leads, offers. There we go. So it gives us this information. We selected three shifts, giving us what exactly, discount of how much, except it goes into my project. So it creates two bookings for 13th and the 20th and the 27th for 3 Fridays right here. And if I go to assign, it will show me for this week. There you go, massage. 20th it shows me and 27th it shows me. Here, and if I come back here, it shows me. So basically you can have multiple bookings done and the user need not book every time that they need a booking. They can just do the multiple schedule and you make sure that the provider gets there. So that is the advantage of multiple shifts. You get bulk booking. You have your you can have the booking done at one go. You need not do multiple bookings for multiple times for the same category. And at the same time, it helps, it even gives more opportunity to the provider as well.